Testing, I'm just suggesting you and I might not be the best thing. Exit, somehow I guessed it right. Alright, but I still want you. Don't mean to taunt you. If you leave now, I'll come back and haunt you. You'll remember, return to sender now.